Good morning, you guys. This morning I was supposed to go to Bakersfield with Noah, but he was being. I'm trying to set you guys up. So I was supposed to go to Bakersfield with Noah, but he was being a little fussy. Don't mind that. Wait. So I ended up coming back home because he was being a little extra fussy. So we kind of just came back home. I was gonna get Chick-fil-A. I got McDonald's. It's fine, not a big deal, honestly. I'd rather him be okay. Maybe he just didn't want to go anywhere today, so we stayed home. I'm actually cleaning our carpets right now. I usually do it every season just to stay on top of it, because it can get a little dirty, especially since it's a tan color. So that's what I'm currently working on right now. I also am working on the kitchen and our master bathroom. I still haven't finished that, but honestly, I'm just, the only thing that's holding me back is I'm painting the cabinet, just because they're like newer cabinets and I'm scared of ruining them. But I don't think I will. I'm just kind of scared. But I might just have to pull the trigger and do it because I just have to do it. It's just, I mean, we've been here for 5 years, so they're at least 5 years old if I look at it that way. But they're very well taken care of, so it's just scary. But I mean, I wanted to change, so I keep saying, I'm just gonna grab the paint and do it, and I keep saying that, but I never do it. So hopefully I get the courage to do it this weekend. But I do want to finish, I'm doing them because I bought new dining chairs, because I got tired of how our dining table looked. I kind of was like, oh, you know what, I'm just gonna do an island type dining table, but I kind of figured that wasn't gonna work just for the fact that my dining area is so small. So is this right? Let me put you guys down a little. So I was like, maybe that's not gonna work, just for the reason that like I said, it's just too small. So I was like, I'm just gonna get a dining chairs, and hopefully, I just put this on backwards, great. I was like, hopefully that helps me get, like, I don't know. So I'm taking off the old backsplash, the old, what is that called? What is it called? Shiplap that we did, because that was like our first project ever. So I'm taking that off, and in hopes to do some type of board and batten or something back there. So right now, like I said, I'm currently just talking a lot, and I am cleaning the carpet because some stains are pretty harsh. I mean, we've been here for so long. We have dogs, and that's not a stain, that's just a shadow. But like, I still haven't gone over here, but you know, these stains are pretty bad. And then over here it looks better. It looks horrible on camera, actually. It looks darker than it is. Maybe if no, it still for some reason looks dark. Maybe it's just the way. You guys see that? I feel like it's a little slow. I just hate that on camera it looks darker for some reason, but honestly it looks so much better in person. And I just have a big mess all over here because I'm trying to move all of his toys since I was vacuuming there. I'm going to put him on here for a little bit so he can get tired. Like I said, the carpet has some stains, but I'm going to get to it. And he's just being super fussy today. I don't know. I think he's teething, honestly, his bottom teeth. And he's being fussy. Yeah, you are being fussy. Yeah. Yeah, I don't even know what's wrong anymore. I gave him his binky, he don't want it. I fed him. He ate a lot. I think he even overate. Yeah, I think you overate. Like, I've never, ever seen him this fussy. But anyways, these are the chairs that I ordered. And he's pooping. Do you guys hear him? He poops like that all the time. But anyways, he doesn't like me showing you guys. Oh, he's pooping. Let's see if I can get him without him. Because he won't like it. Yeah, but he's pooping. Anyways, I have like this whole mess. I always hang these here because I have little clips. So I hang those there. It's like not focusing. But I hang those there. And this is what my house is looking like. Oh, also... Oh my god, did you guys hear that? I painted the backsplash. I still haven't committed to what I want to do exactly back there, so I was like, let me paint it because it was this color. I mean, you guys can't really tell. It's really hard to tell in camera or whatever, but in person you can tell like the big difference. Like that's like a more yellow color and this is more white. So I am doing that, and yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on everything I'm doing. I feel like I'm just talking a lot, but I just need to update you guys on everything that's going on because I just think it's necessary. But this little kid is eating his hand. I'm gonna let him continue to poop. I was gonna put him on here for a little bit, but I'm just gonna let him continue to poop because he needs to poop and needs to finish pooping. Also, are you guys loving the hair color? I think I loved it for a second, but I want to go lighter. I don't know what I want to do exactly. I'm just going to let my hairstylist girl, or whatever she's called, let her do whatever she wants to it and just like do something with it. So, she's a little backed up just because of the whole coronavirus thing and they had to close down. So I'm hoping that soon she'll be able to fit me in and get my hair done. But that's all I have to say for now. I'm kind of just gonna let him poop and clean up a little bit. Maybe I'll vlog it a little and start my vacuuming because it's necessary. So that's what we're gonna do. Look, he's just being super chismoso. Him. Yeah, okay. Well, I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, I just finished doing Noah's laundry, like folding it and stuff. I feel that like because I have the darkening curtains, I usually have them up so he can get a little bit of darkness so he can sleep. So that is why I have them closed. On here it looks bright, but over here you can tell it's a little darker. So it is a little darker on that side, but he is sleeping right there. I know he's not supposed to be sleeping on the boppy. I'm pretty sure I mentioned it before, but honestly, like if he falls asleep there, I'm scared to wake him up and move him. So I just leave him there. I honestly just let him get into a deep sleep and then I'll move him because I don't like him being there for too long anyways. But I did finish doing the carpet. As you can tell, there's still some stains. Some of them are pretty permanent, especially the ones here. They're kind of hard to take off, but that's fine. We've had it for 5 years. I'm gonna get through it. It bothers me a lot, but honestly there's not much I can do. I just have to wait for us to get new new flooring. Like this is how it actually looks in person. Yeah, like this. I had to change the settings so you guys can see, but this is what it actually looks like in person. It looks darker on camera, but I'm gonna put it back the way it was. So so you guys can see this, but we did this like wannabe shiplap a while back. Well, once we got the house, that was like one of our first projects, so we're removing it now because I want to do like board and batten or something on here. I think I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So right now we're removing it. All we did was use plywood, the really thin one. So this is what the back looks like. Ruben had got mad because he wanted to leave it like this and I didn't want to, so now here we are trying to remove everything. And you guys, it was our first project ever, so we used really big nails. We could have used tiny brad nails and we used really big nails, which was kind of retarded of us to do, but it's a learning process. And then to like, it's so hard to show you guys, but here we did the frame around the window, and this is more like a farmhouse style, and I personally don't like it, so we are gonna change this. I mean, it's pretty much gonna stay the same, but instead of having this little ledge, we're just gonna do a flat one down here, and then in the top two we're just gonna do a flat one. And I think I'm gonna frame the door as well. I wanted French doors, but this is gonna have to work for now. Since this isn't our forever home, I don't want to put too much money into it. Same with the windows. I had it framed out, but now we're gonna do just the bottom and the top, if that makes any sense. And like I said, those are our new chairs for our dining table. I'm gonna have to sell these because there's just no use for me like to have them. I honestly don't know what I would use them for, so I'm just gonna sell them or give them away something. I do want to change this out too. There's a lot of little things that I want to do, but it's just gonna have to be slow, you guys, because we don't make a lot of money, so we have to do it slow. But that's pretty much it. I still have to clean the kitchen a little bit. I mean, it's not that big of a mess. I just need to finish those waters, throw them away, recycle them. I mean, we have a big old recycling can here. And then I have to pick these up, put these away, put all this stuff away. See how it looks dark over here because of damn things, but it's fine. I need to know. He's like waking up, but just clean that up. There's not many dishes in here to wash, so that's not a big deal. Just clean the counters and clean a little bit. But other than that, the house is pretty clean. I still need to do our room. I'm not even gonna walk in there. I'm not even gonna walk in there and show you guys how it is because it's not at its best, but we're working there. I'm just trying to get the whole house put together because like ever since I had Noah, I've been slacking off. It's a little hard trying to get used to everything, kind of adjust to everything. So I'm trying to stay on top of everything now, slowly. There's just some, like the deep cleaning of the carpet and stuff, that wasn't necessary, but it was something that helps my inner self because I get anxiety when the carpet's dirty, so I had to work on it. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Later on, I'm gonna go to a little pop-up shop that they're having here in my little city, and I'm gonna go support them and see what I find. I know they're selling like teethers, which is something I need for Noah, so that's one of the biggest reasons why I'm going. But other than that, we're just gonna shop around, you know, like help them out, support. So I'm gonna do that later. I just want him to take a good nap. I think they open at 4 and it's around 4 already, so I'm just going to wait until he gets up. As you guys can see, he's like moving, but I don't want to bother him. He just fell asleep maybe like half an hour ago. He needs at least to get an hour to 2 hours in because I need him to nap. I don't want him to be fussy later. But other than that, I will see you guys in a little bit because I've been talking way too much, but I just thought I had to update you guys on what we're doing, what's going on. But I will see you guys in a little bit. He loves sleeping like this. Miss Evelyn. She usually sleeps right next to him or on the puppy with him, but right now, thank God, she's not. But actually, I'm gonna put this back. These are all little hairs that the vacuum, like, oh my God, you guys, I thought this was a bug. I was so scared. It's one of those oh my God, you guys, it's just one of those little, like, I can't even show it to you guys anymore, but it's the little pokies. Put that there, and then sure, put that away. He's so cute, you guys, I can't. He's just so cute. There's Miss Imulin, and here's again the carpet from this view. Hey you guys, I'm gonna end up closing the vlog here. I did end up going to the little shop, and all I got was the teether for Noah and a candle, soy candle. Everything was pretty picked out because I got there pretty late just because Noah was napping. So we just ate dinner. I actually ran and got some pizza for us, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully it's not a boring vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm gonna get ready for bed, just, you know, in sports bra, and gonna take this makeup off, wash my face, go to bed. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.